Hello guys, and I am thinking to long bank Nifty, 10 lots as usual from this levels, not exactly from these levels, but my stop loss would be somewhere below this point, that is 24060, and my target is this particular point, that is 23363. But I'll just wait for another confirmation and then I'll take my decisions. So I am buying Bank Nifty now.
Order filled.
So this is my position. Bought Bank Nifty from 24167 and I'll wait for my targets. Guys, I already exited my position somewhere here because I knew that the market was going to reverse, and that's why I just booked a 2000 profit, and I've exited my position at an early stage that was here, and I guess I was right, and it had almost touched my SL. Glad I exited early. So I'll wait for the next entry. So guys, I took a very small risk of shorting Bank Nifty from here for these levels, and my sell would be somewhere here. So let's see how it goes. So I closed my position. I've closed my position and I have a loss of 9,885 as of now. You could see why I closed my position, because my sell got triggered. And let me wait for a perfect entry now. I'm not gonna rush in any sort of entries. I'm gonna wait and take a proper entry. So guys, quite a complicated day today. Made losses as well, profits as well, but I traded in a huge quantity and I basically scalped the market. And after a few trades, what I did was I was here somewhere on a call option, which actually was a wrong decision, in which I lost somewhere around 30,000, I guess. Alright, so I'll show you my executions, what exactly happened. You see there are a lot of trades I've taken today. I usually don't trade this way, but the volatility and I just had to scalp the market to recover a loss, and I made few profits. So these were the first normal trades where I lost 8,000 rupees. Then I stopped this one, then I waited, and then I took options. So let me show you in a very proper way. What I've did is I traded 4,000 quantities of options and tried to cover the loss, and I covered a little bit of loss, not that much. If you could see my accounts as of now, I'm in a loss of 2,830 in still options, and I'm in a profit of 1,09,258 in futures. Plus my positions right now in account, I've still shorted my Bank Nifty from 23,862, 250 quantity, because I feel that there might be still a little bit fall down, but if it is not, I'm still okay. My SL would be 23,932, so I'm okay to have such a loss in the market. So yeah, this was a little bit tougher trade than what I thought today, but I prefer you guys not to do these kind of trades. Alright guys, so see you in the see you further. I'll update you. Okay guys, I made another 16k here and I'm closing this
Order
position.
filled.
And overall profits 1,25,000 in futures and 2,830 loss in options, and trading was a little bit difficult. So I'll tell you where exactly I took the interest. First entry for me here, I bought call option, and that was 24,300, and I had a loss because I booked it somewhere here, these levels, and I had a loss of 42,000. And then what I did is I waited and I bought put option. Okay, bank nifty is still falling, but I exited early. Okay, guess the profits are enough. I usually don't trade these kind of trades, but hence this whole pattern was a bearish flag. What I did was, at this point of time, at this reversal, I made a foolish mistake that I entered here on a buy side in futures, and I almost took 1,000 quantity of bank nifty here, and which costed me a loss somewhere here. I made a loss of 70,000 here. Then I just waited for this candle to close, and I shorted bank nifty here again, and this pullback was a huge pain. Trust me, it was a huge pain, because when you're on a huge quantity, it goes up, it basically emotionally drains you a lot, but still my SL was this. I somehow survived that, and I booked somewhere here, this particular region. I did not even wait for this support because my quantity was good enough. I averaged to 4,000 quantity, and I booked it somewhere around here, and I covered my loss, plus I made some good profits. And after that, what I did, as soon as this candle broke, I took another entry here on 10 lots on a standardized way, and I exited here. And right now this is the story running. Guess I'm not gonna screw up my mind more in this, and I think I had a decent profit, unexpected profit actually. I never usually prefer anyone to trade in such huge quantities, but sometimes even I do it in order to cover my losses. That was a scalping. We usually scalp. We will not hold for long time in such a thing. The bank nifty is still falling down. I don't know till what levels it will fall down. Maybe 23,500, I guess. But that's it for today, guys, and hope you guys are doing well. And please do consider subscribing my channel, and I'll be coming with what kind of strategies I'll be teaching in a depth way, because I know most of the people are not understanding what I'm actually telling, what are the technicalities and what are the other strategies I use. I will be definitely coming on that as well, and that too free of cost, of course. I'm not going to charge anything for these kind of courses. So see you in the next video, guys. Please do consider subscribing.